Let's do the statement problem related to the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, suppose we have given a figure which shows that it's a right angle triangle. So the figure shows a right angle triangle and we can name the figure which is ABC. That's the triangle BABC. And we have been asked that we need to find the values, and that's a right angle triangle we can draw, and 90-degree right angle. And let's assume that this side is given to us 2x plus 2 centimeter, this is given x centimeter, and the other one is given 2x plus 3 centimeter. And we have been asked that we need to find the value for x, which is at the perpendicular side. And also, what is the area of this triangle ABC? So let's do how to solve this one after naming the triangle ABC. Let's find the value of x first. How we can find the value of x? So we have already learned in a previous video about the Pythagoras theorem. So we're going to use the Pythagoras theorem in here. We know that according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So which is hypotenuse, perpendicular and base in here? We can see that hypotenuse is AB, so we can write this as AB square, BC square and AC square, and we can put the values. AB is hypotenuse, so 2x plus 3 whole square, perpendicular is x square, and base is 2x plus 2, which is BC whole square. Now we already know the formula A plus B whole square, which is equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So we have to open this formula. Not as such we can open that, but we need to use the formula to open 2x plus 3 whole square. Similarly 2x plus 2 whole square. So first open 2x plus 3 whole square, which can be written as a square, which is 2x whole square, plus b square, which is 3 whole square, plus 2 times a, which is 2x, and 3, which is b. So 2x whole square can be written as 4x square. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9, and 2 times 3 gives you 12x. Okay. So just put this value in equation number 1. We can assume the top equation where we have put hypotenuse, perpendicular and base as equation number 1. So let's assume this is equation number 1 and we just need to put the value. So let's put the value. 4x square plus 9 plus 12x. Similarly, we can solve the other side. So the other side will be equal to x square, which will remain same, plus 2x plus 2. Similarly, we need to open a plus b whole square. So 2x whole square plus 2 square plus 2 times 2x times 2, which is 2 into a into b. So 4x square plus 9 plus 12x, we can solve the whole equation in a single line as well. So x square plus 2 times 2 is 4. So 4x square plus 2 2s are 4 plus 2 times 2 times 2. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8x. So now we can take like terms one side and other towards other side. So 4x square minus 4x square, which we have brought from the other side. So here you can see that this 4x square and the other side 4x square. And also there is one x square. So we can see the x and x sides as well, which is 12x and 8x. And also you can see that there is x square. So you need to bring x square as well to this side because all the square needs to go together. Plus 12x and minus 8x. So you know that when plus goes to other side, it will become minus. When minus goes to other side, it will become plus. And the other side 4 take away 9 because 9 was here. So you need to bring it other side. So like terms together basically. So now you can cut 4 and 4. 4x square will gone. So left with minus x square and plus 12x minus 8x gives you plus 4x is equals to 4 take away 9 gives you negative 5. Okay. Plus minus minus. So this can be written as minus x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so minus x square plus 4x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now what's next? We need to find the factors of this equation because we need the value of x. Basically, that's a quadratic equation. So we can rearrange the sign. X square minus 4x minus 5 is equals to 0. So when we rearrange, so negative become positive, positive become negative. So this is a quadratic equation. So we need to solve this quadratic equation. So we have already learned in our previous video how to solve the quadratic equations. Basically, we need to take the products and the sum, or we can say that we need to split the middle term, which is minus 4x. So the product of this one is minus 5 and sum is minus 4. If you don't know how to solve quadratic equation, please see the previous video. So here, 5 ones are 5, so negative 5 we need, so therefore negative 5, and negative 5 plus 1 gives you negative 4. So put the value x square. Now you can put either 1 first or minus 5, doesn't matter. So let's put 1 first. So plus x minus 5x minus 5 is equals to 0. Take x common, x plus 1 minus 5 common, x plus 1 will be inside. So make sure with the sign because plus minus gives you minus 5. 5 into 1 minus 5. So make sure you use the appropriate sign. Mostly people do mistake in here. Okay. So now after that what we need to do, take the common. X plus 1 will be common. So x minus 5 will remain inside and x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now these are called the factors of the quadratic equation, but we need to find the value of x. So we need to find the roots. For roots we need to put these separate equal to 0. So x will be equals to 5 and x will be equals to minus 1 we will get. So we can say that x is equals to 5 and x is equals to minus 1 are the roots of these equation, and also we can say that the value for the x. So basically we got the value for x. Okay, so this is the value of x. We can now find, we now find area of the triangle. For the area of triangle, we can neglect one term, which is a negative term, which is minus 1. So we can assume like we can solve the area of triangle while using just one value of x, which is x is equals to 5. Okay, so area of triangle ABC. Let's draw the triangle again so that it will be easy, and we have already got the value of x, which is equals to 5. Let's draw the same triangle again, and now we can put the value of x, which we already got after solving the quadratic equations. So that's our triangle ABC. Let's start writing A, B and C. So x, this is 90-degree angle. X we got, which is equal to 5. Let's write x is equals to 5 centimeter. And BC is 2x plus 2. So we need to put the value of x in here. So 2.5 plus 2 dot is basically multiply in here. So 2 times 5 gives you 10 plus 2, which is equals to 12 centimeter. Okay. So now we know that we can also take the value for the hypotenuse side as well. But we know that to find the area of triangle, what's the formula to find the area of triangle? It's half into base into height. So basically area of the triangle ABC, or we can say it's a right angle triangle ABC, is equals to half into base into height. So we got the height, which is AC, we got the base, which is BC. So you can put the value for the longest side. It's up to you. So half into BC into AC. So BC we got 12 times AC 5. So now we can easily cut the values. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, and 6 times 5 gives us 30. 6 5s are 30, and don't forget centimeter square because units are equally important in here. So in this way we can find the area of the triangle.